Hello YouTube, I'm APC, and this is the fourth program tutorial as a continuation of the Catch the Clown series. Remember, if you have no idea what the Catch the Clown series is or the program tutorial, you need to refer to the Catch the Clown tutorial. Alright, so open up programming, what you got from Programmer 3. First, let's create an alpha flag. If you've already done sprite tutorials, then you don't need to do this. So call SPR flag. And let's make it, see, color we haven't used yet, make it orange. Let's create an object for that. Call obj flag, and give it the sprite. Now, the level designers are going to be adding more than one room to this game. So at the end of the room, they're going to have a flag object. Once you hit the flag object, if you have enough points, you then go to the next level. So let's add the collision with human event. And before it's in the next room, want to check whether you have enough points. So click the control and check variable score, since every time the human collides with the coin, it's going to add to the score. So if value is larger than, or let's say smaller than 25. If it's smaller than 25, then we want to show message and tell you that you don't have enough points. So drag this one in there, display message. Type down, you must have 25 points to go to the next level. Now, what this will do is it'll show this kind of ugly box with that text in there. There is a nice way of doing this where you can make your own font and have a lot more flexibility, but I'll show you how to do that later. And then, if you do not have smaller than 25 points, want to go to the next room. So go to main 1 and drag this icon in. Room next, and you can choose any effect you want here. Put the arrows around it too. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to make this text look better. You have it drawn, and in order to draw things that aren't like preset or not from the draw tab from here and aren't preset, you have to do everything in the draw thing. So in order to trigger something to happen here, you need to create a variable for, let's say, inter-event communication or something like that. So delete that. Set variable draw, and we're totally making up that variable to true. In the creation event, we need to recognize that variable, say what the value would be in the beginning, so say false. And here we can test the variable. So here, put down the variable draw equals true. Then put those arrows there. Go to the draw tab, and what is that? Draw text. Yeah, that little A, that A over there is draw text. Type down the text here. You must have 25 points to go to the next level. You want it to show up in the middle of the screen, and since the view is, I believe, 640 by 480, but I'm not sure about that. So when you're not sure, you can just do it this way. X view. Wait, no. There's the view. View X view. This is the whatever the X value is of the view, and so the value. This will be in the top left corner. That value, and so we want to show the middle. We'll add half the room width. Now, it just so happens that the X for the view is 640 wide, so we'll say 320 since that's half of 640. For the Y, put down view, Y view, plus whatever half the height is, and I know for the fact that the height is 480, so put down 240. It's okay. Now, if you using the draw text function, you need to set the font and the color. So you go down here in settings, all of the font and color settings. So for the color, it could be anything you want, but I'll just make it orange. I like orange. Font. Let's align the font in the center, and we haven't made a font yet, so right click create font, and it's called font, and you can make this whatever you want. Hopefully you're familiar with Windows fonts and stuff, and just give it size or something. Alright, now you can set the font to font. Alright, now the way this is set up, once you collide with the human, then it'll draw it alright, but it'll stay there. But we don't want to stay there. So when it sets the draw event to the draw variable to true, we want to set an alarm, let's say 60 and alarm 0, so that after the alarm goes off, that'll be gone. So alarm 0 will set the variable draw back to false. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can email me at my email address, which is at my channel, or you can PM me at my YouTube, or you can register on our forum, SynforgeGames.co.cc, and you can PM me there. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.